afternoon.
Would you like to introduce yourself for our viewers?
Namaste. I am Vikita Shah, Associate Dean at SIDT. SIDT is a part of Sasmira Institute. Sasmira Institute has had a 75 years of glorious limelight in education, in research, in technology. I am very happy to be a part of SIDT. SIDT has been an institute which has degree programs in fashion and textiles. We have diploma programs also in fashion, in textiles. We have merchandising programs. So SIDT is basically an education institution giving knowledge to students since 2004, and SIDT has been come to existence since the last 5 years, and I'm very happy to be a part of this.
Okay. Could you please also enlighten us about Enchante 2025, this festival we are here?
Okay. Enchante 2025 has been a fashion event where every year SIDT has been having graduating fashion shows for our students who have been passing out all throughout, and it is an experience where students are trained to design garments. They are trained through the design process. They are trained how to shortlist their designs. They are trained how they are they go through market surveys. I am getting very distracted here. I'm so sorry. मुझको इतना डिस्ट्रैक्शन लग रहा है ना यहाँ पे, क्योंकि ये पोजीशन.
Please introduce yourself in a brief for our viewer, and also talk about the event Enchante 2025. What are we looking for?
Well, good afternoon. I am Dr. Ashok Tiwari, and I am leading Sasmira as Director General. As you must be knowing, Sasmira is celebrating its 75th anniversary. Sasmira was established in 1950, and under the vertical of SIDT, we have organized this annual fashion show event, Enchante 25. In fact, as a part of our 75th anniversary celebrations, we have got a lot of events lined up for the entire year, and Enchante 25 is a part of that. Through this event, the students get a lot of exposure for building their skill sets, which serves them a lot for choosing their career ahead and to get established in life. I wish all the students and the organizers grand success, and thank you all for joining us today, for being a part of this event. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Good afternoon. Are you rolling? Yeah. Okay. I'd like to introduce myself. I am President of Sasmira, a very eminent textile research and education college in Mumbai, the heart of Mumbai city. We are at Worli, headquartered, the beautiful building on Dr. A.B. Road, Annie Besant Road, almost 3 lakh square feet of area, having various labs, educational institutions and development centers, including incubation. हे संस्था एवढी व्यवस्थित 75 वर्षांपासून चालतं आहे की हे संस्थामधील कम से कम 50,000 मुलं पास होऊन इंडस्ट्रीच्या टॉपचे रँकिंगमध्ये बसले आणि ते फार फार व्यवस्थित रिचून काम होते. आणि हे संस्थाच्या मी बी स्टुडंट होतो आणि हे संस्थाला मी जे काय देऊ शकतो, वी आर ट्राईंग आवर लेवल बेस. ही संस्था एकदम पुढे आणून वाढवून शकणार. आता CM साहेब बी आले होते, डेप्युटी CM साहेब बी आले होते आणि सगळ्याचे सपोर्ट आहे. रोडाजी बी आले होते, सगळ्याचा सपोर्ट आहे संस्था वाढवायच्या आणि संस्थाला पुढे घेऊन जायचं.
Anything which you would like to add to this about this event? What expecting?
Yeah. Sasmira फॅशन आणि टेक्स्टाईल डिझायनिंगमध्ये नंबर 1 इन्स्टिट्यूशन आहे आणि हे असेच फॅशन शो हे आमचे 12वा या 13वा फॅशन शो आहे. हे फॅशन शो पुरे फॅशन इंडस्ट्रीचे कॅलेंडरवरती असतो आणि इट इज वेल रेकग्नाइज. आमचे सासमिराचे स्टुडंट्स ते पास होऊन निघतात, ते स्वतः फॅशन डिझायनर बनतात, या स्वतःचे बुटीक असतं अथवा गारमेंट इंडस्ट्रीमध्ये कॉम्प्लिमेंट करतात. सो सासमिरा इज इन टू द प्रोसेस ऑफ बिल्डिंग into nation building and to seeing that we become a big name in the fashion industry. I wish today's program a lot of success. I am very sure today there are about 20 collections. They'll be world class.
आप भी जूरी मेंबर हैं यहाँ पे, तो आपका नज़रिया क्या होगा लोगों को परखने का?
मैं जूरी मेंबर नहीं हूँ, बट जूरी एकदम एमिनेंट फैकल्टी के है, एकदम रिस्पेक्टेड फैकल्टी है. वो लोग जूरी जो देख रहे हैं वो टैलेंट देख रहे हैं. बच्चे के अंदर इनहेरेंट टैलेंट क्या है, नया क्या है, उनकी स्किल सेट्स में क्या है, कौन से फैब्रिक यूज़ करते हैं, कौन से फैब्रिक के साथ दूसरा कौन सा मटेरियल यूज़ करते हैं जो अपने इंडियन कंटेक्स्ट में सूट. और प्लस एक दूसरा कॉन्सेप्ट जो जा रहा है वो इको फ्रेंडली रिसाइकलिंग वाला कॉन्सेप्ट जा रहा है कि कोई भी चीज़ वेस्ट नहीं होवे तो हर उसका रीयूज़ हो सके. तो
पार्टिसिपेट किया, उनको क्या मोटिवेशन थे, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे उनकी फ्यूचर के लिए, कुछ कहना चाहेंगे?
ये बच्चों के लिए सासमीरा के दरवाजे हमेशा खुले हैं. सासमीरा उनको जो भी सपोर्ट चाहिए, सासमीरा उनको जो भी आगे बढ़ने का स्कोप चाहिए, तो सासमीरा वाले एकदम सपोर्ट करेंगे. हमारी टीम पूरी सपोर्ट करेगी. और बच्चों के लिए हम तो क्लियर बोलते हैं कि अभी बच्चे नहीं है, वो हमारे सासमीरा फैमिली मेम्बर है. तो वी विल बी देयर विद देम थ्रू आउट देयर लाइफ. Thank you very much.
Tell us about this festival Enchanté 2025.
Okay. Enchanté 2025 is our graduating collection where the students, our 35 students, have been working since over last entire year, where they have been designing this entire process. They have been cultivating the new ideas. They have having different ideologies which they have been working on. And Enchanté 2025 this year is on the theme Tattva. Tattva is the elements of nature which we are working on this year, and I'm very happy that the students have come up with excellent work that they have created, they have designed. There are textures which they have made themselves, and I'm so happy that the outcome has come out so good. Their hard work has really paid off, and I'm happy to have you showcase that today.
Thank you. Last question. Kindly share your experience related to this show.
Okay. Now my experience related to this show is I have been co-mentoring the mentors of this fashion show. I have been there through their process, right from the initiate, from where they started to where it has come. It has been almost 7 months that the students have been working on this collection. They have been working with either 11 garments or 7 garments based. If they are doing it in a team, they are working on 11 garments. If they are doing it individually, there are 7 garments that they are working on. And I have been monitoring them at regular intervals. We've been having many cross juries on them so that the product that comes out today is really good. And beyond that, yes, I am very happy, as I mentioned earlier, that I'm very, very happy with the outcome.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Pleasure.
जो लोग आपको नहीं जानते हैं वो आपको और आपके म्यूज़िक के बारे में
अस्सलाम वालेकुम, नमस्ते,
सत श्री अकाल, आदाब अर्ज़.
मेरा नाम है फ़रीद अहमद.
मेरा नाम है जावेद फोगा.
हम लोग बर्जीज़ बैंड से हैं और दोनों हम लीड सिंगर हैं. और आज का जो ये फैशन शो है बड़ा कमाल का शो चल रहा है. और आज की जो ये दुनिया है, मीडिया है, या आप म्यूज़िक देखें या आप वीडियोस देखें, आजकल लोग सॉन्ग भी सुनने से ज़्यादा देख रहे हैं.
बिल्कुल.
और देखने का मतलब आप देखें कि उनकी ज्वेलरी, उनका लुक, उनके कपड़े, उनके डिज़ाइन. तो आज जो कुछ भी ऑल अबाउट डिज़ाइनर. और आपने देखे होंगे हमारे कपड़े भी, हम लोग ख़ुद भी इसी फील्ड से हैं और चाहते हैं कि हमारा ये डिज़ाइनर जो कपड़ा है पूरी दुनिया के सामने आए.
आप सोशल मीडिया में आए हुए, आपका म्यूज़िक इतना बढ़िया है, ट्रेडिशनल भी है, मॉडर्न भी है, और आपके जो कपड़े हैं, जो फैशन जो आप यूज़ करते हैं, उसके बारे में कुछ बताइए कि आप किस बेसिस पे सिलेक्ट करते हैं हर गाने पे. क्या कुछ फैशन का भी कुछ इफेक्ट आता है?
बिल्कुल. आजकल आप देखें, जैसा कि मैंने बोला है कि म्यूज़िक आजकल सुना कम जाता है, देखा जाता है.
बिल्कुल.
और हम लोग हमारे इवेंट, जो भी इवेंट होते हैं, हमें पता होता है अगर कुछ मैरिज है, कॉकटेल है, अवार्ड शो है, हम लोग डिज़ाइन भी उसी तरीके से करते हैं. जैसे आज फैशन शो है तो हमारा लिबास भी आज कुछ फैशन वाला ही है. सूफ़ी में फ़ैशन है, लेकिन हाँ है, आजकल ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है.
जितने भी शोज़ होते हैं, जो चाहे सूफी हो चाहे बॉलीवुड हो, उसको डिज़ाइन हम ही करते हैं, कपड़ों को डिज़ाइन हम खुद करते हैं।
अच्छा, तो आपकी जो इंस्पिरेशन है फैशन के ऊपर, वो कहाँ से आती है?
इंस्पिरेशन तो हमारी बहुत शुरू से चलती आ रही है, लेकिन हाँ, आजकल जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं यंगस्टर्स को, पुराने तो देखते आ रहे हैं हम लोग, जो यंगस्टर्स को हम लोग फॉलो कर रहे हैं, जो यंगस्टर्स अच्छे आज जो कॉलेज में चल रहा है, इनके डिज़ाइन मैंने देखे कमाल के हैं, तो आज मैंने यहाँ से भी कुछ ना कुछ चुराया ही है।
ससमीरा के बच्चों के लिए क्या कहेंगे जो नए फैशन डिजाइनर आकर तैयार होकर निकले?
जी, मैं ऑलरेडी बोल चुका हूँ उनकी तारीफ़ में, इनके मैंने डिज़ाइन देखे हैं, बहुत खूबसूरत, बहुत कमाल के, और मैं इनको दुआ दूंगा और आप लोग कोशिश करें ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा अच्छे डिज़ाइन लाएं, दुनिया में नाम करें।
कुछ फैशन के टिप्स आप देना चाहेंगे बच्चों को?
फैशन की टिप यही है कि हाँ, एक चीज़ मैं बोलना चाहूँगा, जिसकी जैसी हेल्थ और कलर कॉम्प्लेक्शन होता है ना, उसको उसी तरीके से उसको डिज़ाइन करवाएं। हाँ, ज़ीरो से कुछ भी शुरू नहीं होता है, आप किसी का भी एक रेफरेंस लें, हमें भी रेफरेंस लिया जाता है, हम भी नाम नहीं बताएंगे, लेकिन हाँ, किसी को देख के हम कुछ ना कुछ सीखते रहते हैं और उसमें कुछ ना कुछ इनोवेट करते रहते हैं। थैंक यू सर।
थैंक यू।
Would you like to please introduce yourself in brief for our viewer and also your association with this event Enchanted 2025?
Well, I am Rehan Shah. I'm a fashion stylist and a fashion designer, and it's a genuine pleasure to be out here, and I'm really looking forward to a great evening.
So would you like to share your insights pertaining to the fashion industry, the challenges that we face while giving different style to the celebrity? So what kind of challenges one can face in this industry?
Well, honestly speaking, when it comes to fashion, I think fashion trends keep changing. So you need to be really focused, and one should style her or himself what suits her. For me, less is more. And I'm really looking forward to a great evening out here because I'm gonna witnessing all the hard work of the students, what they have put in, and I'm really looking forward to each and every sequence, and maybe in the future I can use their garments on the known celebrities.
Wonderful, sir. Could you please enlighten us about the parameters on which you are going to seek or shortlist the candidates?
Well, there are different categories. It's going to be different categories like a surface ornamentation. Then they're going to be like collection of the year. They're going to be different categories for each sequence. So once I witness and on the ramp, it will be much more easier for me to calculate and give the marks accordingly.
So when you are looking for the students' work as a jury, what are the challenges that you face? There may be various things that various people will be doing. So what are the basics that you want the students to make sure that this definitely has to be there and then their creativity comes in?
Well, they should be true to the theme, what they're working on. So that's number one. We need to see what's the theme like, and they are closely close to the theme. So that's going to be my first thing to judge.
What is your advice to the students who are coming up now in life? What should they do's and don'ts?
Just true to your creativity, and rest will follow. Just true to your creativity and rest will follow. Because nowadays there are too much of talent, and I'm sure all these students must have put in a lot of hard work in their collection, and I'm so looking forward to it. So all the very best to each one of you, because you are the promising future for tomorrow.
A model. I've been working in the industry for last 20 years, and I'm here as a judge today. On the other side of the ramp, I have walked for Sasmira for many years, but today I'll be judging the collection of all the students, and I'm looking forward for a great time. Thank you.
As a jury, what would you suggest to the students? How should they work, or what do you come do's and don'ts?
For the students, I think they have been given a theme to work on, and we will be judging them according to the how close they are to the theme, and the stitching quality, the fabric they have used, the designs they have inculcated, and how much work is showing, because I'm sure that they all have been given the same time to bring out a collection. So कितने उस टाइम के अंदर किस बच्चे ने सबसे ज़्यादा एफर्ट करके उस कलेक्शन को अपने थीम के साथ बनाया है, we will be judging according to that.
When you are looking so fit and you have maintained yourself, some advice to the students, how should they eat and diet and exercise or something?
I always say this is the easiest thing to maintain yourself, but of course to maintain you have to bring down your weight to a manageable weight, right? So eating healthy, eating mindfully is very important. Balanced food, which will keep you sustainable for a long time, and there will be no ups and downs in the weight. So balanced diet for healthy skin, healthy body, healthy mind, and yes, work out every single day, because that's where you will find the most energy from. So yeah, thank you.
Carpet gowns collection.
Excellent. So how long you been in this?
I started in 2009. My first fashion week was in 2009.
So today as a jury, you are coming as a jury.
Yes.
As a jury, what are the challenges that you face while looking at different works? It might be quite overwhelming that every design is better than the other. So what are the basic parameters that you will see that these are the must and then there's a creativity?
I wouldn't use the word challenge, because honestly seeing more and more creativity is fun, and if I get to see more fresher ideas, that's nice for us also. Good to see some new talent coming up, but if I have to really judge, first thing is your basic finishing. I'm very particular about the clean styles, the finishing, and then I want to see what new textures kids have come out with, because in India there are so much to provide with. We are just not playing with one or two textures, we are playing with practically more than 10 different ways of manipulating with the fabric and with beading, with embroidery. So I want to see how innovative these kids can come up with that.
Your advice to the students who are upcoming, what should they do and don'ts, what should they take care of in their career? Some career advice.
Be very fresh with your creativity, but be very sensible with your finance.
And also, are you also getting inspired and your creativity also gets enhanced when you see some new designs, and do you also, how does it affect
Absolutely. You just don't get inspired by seniors, you get inspired by fresher new kids in the town much more. So I'm actually looking forward to, I'm not going to get bored, I'm going to enjoy a lot these 20 kids here.
Amazing, thank you so much.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Arka from Media Chem Industries. The association with Sasmira goes a long way. It's a privilege always to be associated with them. Be here for the August gathering. I wish them all the very best for all their future endeavors as well.
Your advice to the students?
Keep focused. Be focused in life. Believe in yourself. The world is yours. Never get dejected about anything. That's what I said. Be focused and believe in yourself. Thank you.
Firstly, could you introduce yourself and your company?
So this is Mohini Sharma, founder and national director of Mrs. India INC.
ये Mrs. India INC के बारे में आप कुछ बता सकती हैं कि ये कंपनी करती क्या है, किस तरीके से लोगों की?
So Mrs. India INC जाना जाता है मैरिड वुमेन को प्लेटफॉर्म देने के लिए. We are 8 years old pageant. After Gladrax, Mrs. India INC has taken over the complete responsibility. We are associated with multiple international pageants like Mrs. Galaxy, Mrs. Globe, and we have also won lot of international titles for India in last 5 years. So this is our biggest achievement, and we claim that we have changed the concept of Mrs. Pageantry, the whole industry in India.
Very good मैम, आप जो कर रही हैं बहुत अच्छा कर रही हैं. सासमीरा के बारे में आप क्या बता सकती हैं? आप इनके साथ कब से जुड़ी हैं और आप क्या इनपुट्स इनको दे रही हैं और क्या स्टूडेंट्स को मोटिवेशन दे रही हैं?
So अभी जस्ट मैंने सस्मीरा का फैशन शो देखा. सस्मीरा हैज़ completed 75 years, which is a very glorious thing. And when an institute comes in with lot of experience, with lot of learning, I think बच्चों के लिए ना एक अपने आप पाथवे रेडी होता है. यहाँ पे बच्चों को सिर्फ चलना है, सीखना है. अभी जस्ट मैंने उनका फैशन शो देखा. मैं इंटरनेशनल पैजेंट्स में जाती हूँ, मैं काफ़ी वर्ल्ड घूम चुकी हूँ, बट द काइंड ऑफ क्रिएटिविटी, द काइंड ऑफ डिज़ाइन दैट द स्टूडेंट्स हैव ब्रॉट अप ऑन दिस स्टेज is incredible, it's outstanding, and I'm really looking forward. In fact, I'm thinking if I could associate with the kids, I could give them some exposure, some platform through beauty pageant. That would be amazing.
हम लोग आपका मैसेज मैनेजमेंट तक पहुंचाएंगे, तब तक स्टूडेंट्स के लिए आप कुछ टिप्स दे सकती हैं कि वॉक में और उसमें क्या
स्टूडेंट्स को मैं ये कहूँगी दैट सबसे डेयरिंग वाला पार्ट होता है एक्सप्रेस करना, अपने पैशन और अपने ड्रीम में बिलीव करना, और आई थिंक यही आपको करना है, बिकॉज एक आर्टिस्ट होने के नाते एक्सप्रेशन इज़ द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट थिंग. इफ़ यू होल्ड द क्रिएटिविटी, यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड इट्स वेरी रेयर इन द वर्ल्ड. अगर आप क्रिएटिव हो, आप एक वो बाजी ले लो, आपको रिस्क लेना पड़ेगा, आपको वो डेयरिंग करनी पड़ेगी और आपको अपनी क्रिएटिविटी एक्सप्रेस करनी पड़ेगी. पहले लोग हंसेंगे, पर शायद आप ही बेंचमार्क बन जाओगे आने वाले टाइम में. थैंक यू सो मच. थैंक यू.
As a general manager, I am handling both the environment and science, and we are into urban. I am also in the board of trustees of SPD College, Jubi. I am also a very active member of SPD as the honorary vice chairman. I was there for almost 11 years. Right now, I am personally going to conduct shows, seminars, webinars. Nationally, I have recently done a fashion show for NIF Daman, in which we had organized a very grand show. I have called the National Council of India. There was Miss India, Miss Priyanka Shah, there was Dimple Patel, she was Miss Flo, and so I am very much connected with the fashion industry. They all can approach me for any internship, job or opportunities. For there, I am always there for experience. I am always there. Recently, I was awarded as a star from Shashmira College. I am thankful to my college. Whatever I am doing is because of Shashmira. So thanks a lot for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
आप तो छाए हुए हैं सोशल मीडिया में, आपके पॉपुलर हो चुके हैं, लेकिन फिर भी आप उन लोगों के लिए जो आपको नहीं जानते उनके बारे में थोड़ा सा.
Hi, this is Ramji Guladi. Sat Sri Akal everyone. I'm a singer, composer and a music video director, and I'm here today for my brother Aseem Singh and wishing all the students of Sasmira all the very best, as this is the finale on the Enchante 2025. So, like to wish everybody all the best.
Music is a creativity kind of a field, and fashion is also creativity. तो आप कुछ बता सकते हैं दोनों के बीच में क्या कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकता है, क्या फ्यूजन हो सकता है, कि अलग एक चीज़ बनती है कि आजकल वीडियोस में लोग ज़्यादा प्रेफर करते हैं, उसके बारे में क्या बताएं?
I think fashion is so essential. It has become so crucial. It has to be on point. अगर आपका फैशन आउट है, you're out. क्योंकि पहले क्या था कि जब हम म्यूज़िक करते थे तो खाली आवाज़ सुनी जाती थी. आज आवाज़ के साथ साथ आपकी पर्सनैलिटी, आपके लुक्स, व्हाट आर यू वेयरिंग, व्हाट काइंड ऑफ फैशन आर यू, ट्रेंड आर यू फॉलोइंग. सो आई थिंक फैशन इज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट पार्ट फॉर एवरी आर्टिस्ट, एंड it gives you the confidence to feel better and give you a very good impression to others. Thank you so much.
I'm personally going to conduct shows, seminars, webinars, and nationally I have recently done a fashion show for NIF Daman, in which we had organized a very grand show. I have called the National Council of India. There was Miss India, Miss Priyanka Shah, there was Dimple Patel, she was Miss Flo, and so I am very much connected with the fashion industry. They all can approach me for any internship, job or opportunities. For there, I am always there for experience. I am always there. Recently, I was awarded as a star from Shashmira College. I am thankful to my college. Whatever I am doing is because of Shashmira. So thanks a lot for that.
Thank you. Thank you.
Madhulika madam, would you introduce yourself? What is your association with Sasmira?
So I am Madhulika, and I am a graduate student of Sasmira. I've done my textile chemistry and fiber manufacturing somewhere in mid-80s, and then I did my fashion designing, and that is how I'm associated with Sasmira.
Can you tell something about today's event?
Today's event, I've come as a jury here, and it's beautiful. I'm very, very amazed to see the collection. all collections are very, very beautiful, and I have to select the best, and it's really challenging for me to select the best one. Amazing collections by the students.
Could you tell us what parameters you are judging the students?
So I'm judging them on their workmanship, on their surface ornamentation, what is the commercial viability of the designs, and also what is the ramp appeal of the design. So that is what I'm judging them on. Yeah.
One last question, your message to the students.
I think keep up the good work and keep an eye on the market, and also change or adapt market needs. That's very, very important. Adapt to the market needs. That's what's important. Thank you.